Digital Mural is the world's first artistic team building software. Artist aNa has developed remote creation software for your events and meeting activities. This allows you to offer an innovative collaborative activity or involve remote or telecommuting team members. The first plan enables you to invite up to 25 people to create together on a special collaborative whiteboard. aNa has developed the perfect setup to help your participants create easily. Her Digital Murals team creates dedicated activity programs and protocols to meet your needs. Whether it's an icebreaker, team building, brainstorming, integration day, or celebration for birthdays or retirements, we provide the ideal plan for you. Booking is easy. You order your package online, and we are available to provide any additional information. You have 30 days to organize your event with our online software. Our application generates a common access link for each collaborator. You invite them, and you all come together on the same blank canvas to create following our activity program. The exercise is super fun. You can all be in the same room or video conference via your preferred platform. In addition to being enjoyable and engaging, this exercise provides you with a ton of information through your team members' creations. Once you're finished, you can save your collaborative board in one click. Artist aNa retrieves it from the database and creates a joint artwork from all your ideas. This digital artwork becomes a true collective memory of an innovative or telecommuting activity. The remote artistic creation work brings your team together and highlights their contributions. Most importantly, you will receive 3 files to share. The collaborative background we call the ideal wall, the joint artwork in color and black lines, and the black and white drawing by artist aNa. You will also receive the time-lapse video of aNa's creation, which is a great animated element to share. We can also print your artwork on plexiglass, canvas, or adhesive, and even produce a series to be shipped to all your offices. We also create all your souvenir goodies to thank your participants. Finally, since 2020, the aNa Digital Mural has often become the most original and collaborative communication or greeting visual. So now, please visit digitalmural.com